Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT widget on Xiaomi Mix Flip. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search, and now click install. Now you can click open. And then you can click on this button to skip introduction, then you can click not now, and now you can click open permissions. Here you have to select AI assistant, and now you have to allow this app to display over other apps, and then you can go back, and now go back again. Now you have to click start, and as you can see right here there is my ChatGPT widget, and I can open him and I can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.